Trinity Institute of Professional Studies is a premier institute of Guru Gobind Singh Indraprastha University. It is a NAC accredited and is awarded by A+ graded by Government of NCT of Delhi. It is located in Sector 9 Dwarka, New Delhi at a walking distance from Sector 10 metro station. Trinity Institute offers a Bachelor of Arts in Journalism and Mass Communication. BAJMC is a creative and skill-based undergraduate degree program. BAJMC department has an experienced team of a strong industrial and academic background of media profession. It gives hands-on practice to groom our students and make them industry ready.
The department is well equipped with state-of-the-art facilities that provide students with a comfortable and friendly environment of learning. There are 3 labs. First is radio, comprising of sound studio and the production lab. The second is video studio with a production control room, and the third is print and post-production lab. These are the infrastructure facilities available at TIPS, and also we have the software like Final Cut Pro, Adobe Audition, Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, CorelDRAW, Audacity, Adobe After Effects, Adobe Auditions, and many such softwares.
The department provides a valuable interface to students through organizing guest lectures, field trips, workshop, alumni talks, competition, and webinars. We invite experts from the industry to provide industry interference to the students.
The department takes the initiative to build an innovative and entrepreneurial ecosystem by developing entrepreneurial mindset. We also inculcate research practices among the students. We offer them the platform to showcase their research talent at the global level. The department has adopted 5 villages under the Unnat Bharat Abhiyan, which is a flagship program of Ministry of Education, Government of India. The initiative not only provides the fieldwork opportunity to the students, but also make them learn to work for the betterment of the society.
The department has collaborated with industry and academia like Oxford Summer Schools, where students can get international exposures by doing short-term courses on international relations, sociology, anthropology, international development, leadership, and politics. Apart from this, there are industrial collaborations as well. They are with Seco Technologies, Balaji Telefilms, T-Series to nurture the students with the industrial practice through value-added courses.
We provide 100% placement to our students at Trinity Dwarka and work tirelessly to place them. We have tied up with more than 200 renowned companies and diversified industries such as publications, media agencies, media houses, news and TV channels, and public relation agencies like Priyanka Sharma, Republic Bharat, Malika Malhotra, Aaj Tak, Varsha, NDTV, Atishay 93.5 Red FM, and many such more. To highlight here, we are not into domestic placements. However, we have extended our horizons to international placements. Recently, one of our BJMC students got placed in an international company named Shura Management and Consultancy Limited, Dubai.
We have strengthened our alumni network. We conduct various activities to make it even more stronger. These activities include networking through Alma Connect portal. We also have alumni Facebook page. Moreover, we hold alumni session every semester. Apart from these, alumni meets and coffee series are also being organized. Most of our alumni are performing very well in the industry. To name them a few, we have Akanksha Sharma, who is the voiceover artist and has given her voice to the very famous cartoon character like Shin Chan and Doraemon. Then also we have 2 very famous programs on Sony TV, Tenali Rama, Punya Shlok Ahilya Bai, are being directed by our alumnus Jackson Sethi. So come and be a part of TIPS.
And be a part of TIPS.
And be a part of TIPS.